Rob! Rob! You're gonna die.
Oh shit, Shanice's coming.
Okay, what you guys just saw was my brother, her cousin, and my younger brother. He's 12. And I'm taller than him. Yeah. But we were taking videos in the car, and that's him singing, and he can't sing. But we were just messing around, and yeah. But we'll probably be but we'll probably be vlogging later because our mom's coming home. And yeah, peace. Bye fam. You guys fam. Bye fam.
My leg is so painful.